Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to be talking about tennis elbow bands, which are really helpful for people who are suffering from lateral epicondylitis, otherwise known as tennis elbow. It's also sometimes used for people with medial epicondylitis or golfer's elbow. The difference between those two is just literally the position of the elbow that is affected. Tennis elbow is going to be the outside of the elbow right here that's damaged. We've got that tendon attachment that's developed some chronic tearing, usually just pain centered around that lateral epicondyle bone. Golfer's elbow is going to be on the inside of the elbow. Same kind of bone, same kind of symptoms, just different location. So it's going to be a whole lot of fun. You are going to learn what a tennis elbow is, what the purpose of it is, and how to wear it. Let's get started. Alright, so elbow bands. I like to use them best with people with lateral epicondylitis or tennis elbow, again, kind of on the outside of the arm. I do occasionally get physicians recommending it for medial epicondylitis or golfer's elbow as well. Nothing wrong with that. We as therapists and you as patients or somebody who's using an elbow band just needs to be a little bit more vigilant when you're using it on the medial side of the arm. So with golfer's elbow, there's going to be a lot of inflammation on that medial part of the arm, or kind of that inner elbow area, right? We have the ulnar nerve, or the funny bone nerve, that's running right underneath the medial epicondyle, kind of in the area where there's already a lot of inflammation. And then when the ulnar nerve is kind of passing through and coming into the forearm and into the hand, the place where it's really superficial or kind of sensitive, kind of right in the same area where the tennis elbow band can cause a lot of compression. So just need to be really careful if you're starting to get numbness or tingling or other kind of nerve symptoms, especially in the ring and the pinky fingers. Kind of loosen that band up, or maybe take a break from it for a few days, see if those symptoms go away. Therapists, just make sure that you educate your patients on this as well so that they know what to look out for, what's normal, what's not. That way we can tell if the tennis elbow band is really going to be helpful for their symptoms, or if it's actually going to, cause cubital tunnel syndrome or something else going on with that ulnar nerve as well. We just don't want to do any harm, obviously. So it's okay to use it for medial epicondylitis or golfer's elbow as well as tennis elbow. We just have to be a little bit more careful about it. So what does a tennis elbow band do? Tennis elbow bands are counterforce braces, which literally means that they are countering the force generated in that area. So there's basically two principles that this works by, okay? Number one, it is going to help you by reducing the amount of force that your muscles can maximally generate, which means that anything you're doing throughout the day, whether that is lifting weights or lifting babies or doing dishes, doing laundry, cooking, cleaning, turning doorknobs, driving, anything that you are doing that requires the extensor muscles of the wrist, the muscles that help us to grip, so anything we're lifting, pushing, pulling, carrying, those muscles are not going to be able to contract as strong as normal. So that is how it's helping to protect the injured tendon. Number two, the band sits right over the top of the muscles, and it is going to help spread or distribute the forces that are going in through that area. So our common extensor tendon, which is the one damaged in tennis elbow, is not going to have all of the force going right into it, which causes it to tear more, get more inflamed, more painful, flare you up essentially. So that's how they're helping. Tennis elbow bands are really good during waking hours or during daytime hours. So not something that you want to really wear when you're sleeping. It's something that you want to wear when you are being active, no matter what that means to you. So I know it sounds silly, but if you have tennis elbow, you know that in the beginning phases when it's really inflamed, it's really painful. Even opening a doorknob can be extremely painful for you. So anything that you're doing throughout the day, it can be helpful to wear that tennis elbow band just to help kind of protect your tendon and help it essentially calm down or get out of that flare up so that it's not painful for as long and you're not causing more damage on the tendon. So far it's sounding like a dream come true, right? Pretty nifty. But how do we use it? So there's a lot of different brands out there. Bandit is a pretty common one. The little tennis elbow band that I have and use the most is the mat strap. It's just a little bit more comfortable for me. It's just a brand that I was able to try out and ended up liking. But they're all going to be the same principle, okay? So each band should have kind of a component that's a little bit more firm. Mine actually has one side that's totally just strap material. The Bandit has kind of two sides that are firm on either side of it. But you want that firm part, right, that inflexible piece, to sit right over the top of the muscles. So what you're going to do is kind of find your golf ball kind of bone on the outside of the elbow, that lateral epicondyle, and you can kind of trace it back to where the common extensor tendon is coming out, and all those forearm muscles, you can literally just kind of lift them up off the bone, right? So you want that firm piece to sit right on top of that so that it's going to be able to help you limit the forces that are going through the muscles. So very easy to put on and off, depending on the design that you have. So mine just uses Velcro. Okay, I'm going to slide it on, kind of like a bracelet. Slide it up the arm here. And again, so I've got my lateral epicondyle, right? The firm piece is right here. So it's literally just right over the top of my muscle wad. And then I'm going to pull it tight and fasten the strap. Okay, and then I'm good to go. So I use mine, especially when I'm lifting weights, just to kind of help protect the arm, but I've sometimes used it at work, when I'm doing laundry or something heavy, so that I know that my tennis elbow isn't going to flare up as bad. So yeah, they're pretty easy. They're comfortable. There are a lot of them that are very low profile, so you know, it doesn't like get in the way of you. Very easy to use. They work pretty well. Yeah, so that's pretty much it about tennis elbow bands. Thank you guys so much for watching. I know it's been a little while since I've had a video. We're going to be uploading more awesome hand therapy content soon, so if you're interested in this video or in some of the other videos on the channel, please go ahead and like this video, subscribe to the channel, and we'll see you next time. Thanks for watching.